closer. Okay, so this was a similar thing. As you can see, I masked off yesterday all these shapes which are in sort of mixtures of white and yellow and white and blue mixed with PVA, and left these textures. Shapes. These ones you can see, I think I'll just get the scalpel. They're a bit too sort of, we'll shrink back a bit, but I think I'll just let the air out. And squash that down. That'll dry in nicely, you never know it really. Where else have we got one that I don't particularly want? That's a bit too much there. Some of it's alright, you know, but some of it I didn't like the look of. I think that'll do, so I'm just going to do the same thing here. So that's what happens when you mix white, because white is opaque. But this is now similar, it's just PVA mixed with ultramarine, about a teaspoonful of ultramarine, this one, in about a litre of, or 3/4 of a litre of PVA glue. And so this one will actually, if you look here, you can see where some of it's dried already. Of course you don't get that stuff on you. You can see where it's dried. It's actually going, that's the colour it's going to be over the top of this. So the sort of yellowiness is going to turn green. And then doesn't seem much. I'll leave that there to drain. While I spread the rest of this out. This might be a bit streaky, which is quite nice. It gives it that sort of handmade glass effect. And what this will do, will give it sort of neutral blue, a sort of glassy, like blue glass kind of effect. Once again, I don't know exactly what it's going to look like because I haven't actually done very scientifically proportions of blue colour to white PVA glue. So it'll be a nice surprise to come and find tomorrow. If it's not blue enough, it might be too blue. But actually you can see there's little streaks coming out, which is quite nice. A bit like Viennese glass with streaks through it. So it's quite a sort of, the more I do this, the more I realise how much I was influenced when I was studying ceramics at college, doing just the way that there's a sort of glassiness that's coming into my work. There's not really enough of this to cover it completely. So I'm just going to have to use what I've got. Right. Here we go. So it's spreading this over, and then in a minute I'll peel it off. That'll do for now.
Shall I stop it?
Yeah.